Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm crafting for everyone.blogspot.com. What I'm showing you today is inside the new mini catalogue January to June 2021. So I'm looking at page 7 and I have the project kit for You Are Amazing. So I'll show you, this is the project kit. So in this kit you'll get all your cards and envelopes and all the components to make the cards, and you can, if you wish, it comes in a lovely box, and then you can purchase the stamp set that goes with it. In your project kit you will get your colour instructions, and this makes 16 cards, 4 of each of the designs. That's first the project kit, and then this is the stamp set. So this stamp set you purchase separately. So you've got You Are Amazing, you've got a speech bubble, thanks, happy birthday, hip hip hooray, 3 cheers for you, some stars, congrats, and You Are Amazing. Now the colours that are used in this particular card kit are Flirty Flamingo, Granny Apple Green, Mango Melody, and Pretty Peacock. So that is the first project kit. Now I will be doing a Facebook Live on how to put this kit together in the next week or so, just to spend it depending on my schedule. Right, so the next stamp set I'm going to show you is, let me just go through. So this is the Quite Curvy. This is the stamp set. So you've got your 1 in a million, thinking of you makes my day, wishing you the happiest of birthdays, hooray for you, made with love, just for you, hello, and then we've got some ivy leaves and some little birds and a little stamp there. Now this is something I did probably a couple of months ago. So I'll just turn that over. I've used this particular stamp, and as you can see I've just made a little box. Now this was using, I believe, Granny Apple Green and Petal Pink, and I just stamped it on in the Memento Black and then coloured in with the blends. So it's just a nice little pretty box, and then some little jewels on there, and then it just comes off like that, and there's the box. Oops, I should, so, and just put a little bow around the top of it. So when you're thinking about looking at your stamp sets, have a look, see how you can use them a little bit differently, and this is one of the designs that you could follow, just making a little box and just stamping the flowers on all 4 sides of the box. Right, so so you can get the stamp set, but there's also dies, and I'll show you the Curvy dies. So here they are. So you've got a leaf border, you've got an edge there, and they all go in this wave type thing, as you can see, this one I've used quite a lot at Christmas because there was a Christmas stamp set to go with it. And I've got lots of little pieces of card, and all I need to do is get my little pokey tool and just push them out, and then they come out quite easy. So this die set is really great, not just for, as I say, I was using it for Christmas. And then you've got the outline of the leaves and the outline of the flowers that you just saw, and the outline of the birds as well, so you can die cut them out as well. So that's on page 23. So you can just buy the stamp set on its own, you can buy the dies on their own, or you can buy it as a bundle and you'll save 10%. Now this particular bundle is £38.50, so if you added something a little extra on there, then that would make up, you could make that up to your £45, and then because it's a celebration between the 5th of January and the 28th of February, you can choose a free product from our celebration catalogue when you spend over £45. So that's just something to keep in mind. Right, and on to the next little thing. Oops. So this is the many messages. Now this is a stamp set and it's also dies, and I will show you how this works. Oops. So this is a stamp set that you receive, and when you open it up, I've got the dies already. When you open it up, that's how you receive it, as one big die. So the idea is you stamp this and then you just use your die machine to cut out all the messages all at once. I think this is such a brilliant idea. So you've got a stash of all your messages, and then you can just cut them out and then have them ready to pop on a card. So this particular bundle is £46.75, so you'll be able to receive your free product with buying this bundle, or you can buy the stamp set and the die separately if you wish, but buying it as a bundle saves you 10%, so it's a great offer. I'll just show you the actual messages, or some of the messages. Now this has been stamped, the colour is Flirty Flamingo and Old Olive, and the dies are slightly different, or the messages slightly different. They've got different things on them. So on that happy birthday, you've got some, you can see, you've got a stitching there, and some of them they're stitched around the whole sentiment, and then you've got long ones there, and you've got little tiny ones. One says hi there, see that? So there's lots and lots of sentiments ready to put on your cards. You've got happy anniversary there, which is always a good one to have. And at some point I will be designing a box to keep these in, so I can just go to them straight away. Now the reason why these are in two different colours is because I did some customer gifts which I sent out with the catalogues, so this is the reason why I've got different colours, but I will definitely do them in white and very vanilla, and then I've got the whole collection sort of like in a ready to use for all sorts of different cards. There's even little hearts and stars and things like that on it as well, so this is a great bundle to have. and you can just keep your sentiments in your stash ready for when you need them, rather than having to look around and see which ones match. And you can just quickly go to your little collection and get them out and pop them on your card. So I really like that mini messages, and as I say, if you buy it as a bundle, then you'll automatically be able to choose your free celebration gift, which is excellent. Right, as I say, I just wanted to highlight some of the things that I've actually got at the moment, and I'll be doing separate videos for the sweets because I want to go into those a little bit more in depth, because there's lots of sweets in here that we can look at. Right, so the next one is enjoy the moment. So this is the stamp set. So you have good things are worth waiting for, a little note, enjoy the moment, friendship is found in simple things, and a happy birthday. Now we've got poppy seeds, sycamore seeds. I tried to do the video yesterday, and I was trying to think what that was, and it's a sycamore seed. So it's all to do with all the seeds that, or the seed pods that are around at winter time. And it's such a really nice set to use. I'll just move that out of the way, because I've got some really nice examples on the page as well. So I will be definitely using this in the near future. And it's a cling stamp. So you've got some really nice big bold stamps there. Right, let me see what else I can show you. I think that may be all I've got at the moment. Oh, so we've got the Stamp Cut Emboss Machines. Now this machine was available towards the September of last year, and now the mini Stamp and Cut Emboss Machine is now available. So I'm looking forward to receiving mine. I haven't got it yet, so that's stuck somewhere at the moment, but it'll be getting to me very shortly, so I'm looking forward to using that. But I love the Cut and Emboss machine. I use it all the time, and I can just quickly grab it. Oops. So this is the machine. It's such a nice compact design as well. And then all you do is you put out your plates and then just feed your dies through. So you'll get your base plate, which have numbers on, which is absolutely brilliant. And you've got number 2 plate, and then you've got your cutting plates. Now, as you can see, this cutting plate is well used, so I'm just using one plate to cut on, and this is my feeder plate, which is plate number 3. And then you also get another couple of plates as well for your embossing. So I highly recommend this embossing machine, the die cutting and embossing machine. I'm really pleased I've got this, and as I say, as soon as I get my mini, then I'll be able to show you that too. But even this size, it's really nice and compact, which is good if you've not got a lot of space. So there you go, that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to have a go at winning a £20 voucher, I'm doing a giveaway. If you look at my previous video, it'll say giveaway in the title, and you'll receive all the instructions for how to receive a voucher. This is all to celebrate my 100 subscribers on YouTube. Well, thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much if you subscribed to me and helped me reach my 100 goal, and I will speak to you next time. Bye bye.